the wild budgerigar, the most accomplished of all desert nomads. These have been travelling together for weeks, and that has evidently caused a few domestic arguments. This is truly an immense community. There are over 10,000 budgies in this flock. Every one of them is thirsty. But although they've found this billabong, they must be wary. A hawk, and one that eats budgies. As long as it remains on the ground, the budgies will risk taking a drink. Once it takes to the air, however, the budgies are in danger. And it's not the only bird of prey here.